Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some vintage style cottage decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some lovely vintage style cottage decoration tips to help you create a cozy, nostalgic, charming space. Mix and match antique furniture. Choose pieces with distressed wood, curved legs and curved details. Own in paint or ceramic finishes. Floral prints everywhere. Vintage cottage style loves feminine, nature-inspired prints. Floral curtains, cross-patterned cushions, botanical wallpapers, patchwork quilts. Natural textured layers make the home feel warm and lived-in using crochet table covers, lace trellis, knitted cross, oven baskets, jute racks. Wooden and rustic elements. Blends of vintage pages with rustic cottage warmth. Whitewashed furniture. Wood beams or paneling. Rustic shelves. Old wooden stools. Charming fabrics and linens. Use cozy materials like ruffled bed covers, embroidered pillowcases, gingham and checkered patterns, vintage lace curtains. Cozy lighting. Avoid harsh lights. Instead, choose warm yellow bulbs, floral lampshades, vintage lanterns, fairy lights for a magical touch. Cottage style wall decor. Use vintage botanical art, old mirrors with ornate frames, wicker wall baskets, plates displayed on walls. Bring nature indoors. Add fresh flowers in ceramic vases, indoor plants in terracotta pots, dried flower arrangements. Add crochet and handmade touches. Handmade items make the home feel warm and nostalgic. Crochet tablecloths, lace runners, handmade cushion covers, quilted blankets. They add softness and a truly vintage cottage feel. Incorporate vintage-inspired storage instead of modern storage. Try wicker baskets, wooden crates, vintage dressers, iron hooks. distressed wooden frames, oval vintage mirrors. They make the walls look elegant and nostalgic. Use scented elements. Vintage cottages feel cozy because they smell warm and inviting. Dry lavender sachets, rose scented candles, floral potpourri. Add cottage style furniture accents. Small touches like ruffled chair cushions, skirted table covers, carved wooden side tables enhance the vintage mood. Place plants everywhere. Vintage cottages love greenery. EV plants, herbs in ceramic pots, fresh roses or wildflowers in vases, dried lavender bundles. Embrace imperfections. Chips in paint, worn edges, mismatched furniture. That's the true beauty of vintage cottage style. Use layered bedding for a cozy look. Create a warm cottage style bed with floral duvet covers, patchwork quilts, crochet drawers, ruffled pillow shams. Layers make the room feel soft and inviting. Bring in cottage kitchen charm. Enhance the kitchen with open shelves for plates, mason jars filled with grains, vintage style bread boxes, floral tea towels. It gives an old fashioned farmhouse vibe. Mix old with older. Combine vintage furniture, antique decor, handmade crafts. This layered look feels collected over time, not brand new. Choose wicker or can furniture, perfect for a cottage vibe. Wicker chairs, can side tables, rattan baskets. They bring a natural, rustic elegance. Use vintage lampshades. Choose lampshades with floral prints, lace trims, soft fabric textures. Warm, nostalgic lighting is key to cottage charm. Add ruffles and frills. Cottage style loves feminine touches. Ruffled curtains, frilled pillowcases, skirted tables. These make the space look soft and whimsical. Display vintage books. Stack old books on side tables, dressers, shelves. Choose books with old covers or classic floral designs. Vintage cottage homes often smell comforting. Use vanilla candles, rose water sprays, lavender diffusers. Add teeny touches of metal accents. Use soft toned metals like brass candle stands, copper pots in the kitchen, iron hooks. distressed wooden clocks, porcelain tabletop clocks. They create a nostalgic focal point. Use crochet or lace edging. Add lace or crochet trim to curtains, shelves, pillowcases, table runners. This brings delicate cottage charm instantly. Bring in patchwork details. Patchwork adds color and a handmade vintage look. Patchwork cushions, patchwork quilts, patchwork chair covers. Add vintage style wallpaper borders. Instead of full wallpaper, try floral borders, gingham borders, Victorian rose patterns. It's subtle yet very cottage inspired. Incorporate old bottles and jars. Use blue glass bottles, antique milk bottles, mason jars with lace ribbons. Use them as flower vases or decor accents. Place small racks in multiple spots. Use small vintage style racks in entryway, beside the bed, under a chair. They create cozy zones throughout the home. Use pretty storage trunks. Old trunks work as coffee tables, blanket storage, decorative side benches. They look vintage and functional. Add charming plate racks. Install a wooden plate rack to display floral china, pastel ceramic dishes, vintage teacups. It instantly creates a nostalgic cottage kitchen vibe. Use vintage style fabric patterns. Try timeless cottage prints like teeny rose buds, gingham checks, toil patterns, soft polka dots. Mixing these fabrics brings depth and old-fashioned charm. Thanks for